Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create an auto sliding image carousel in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website inside Hostinger website builder, and to create to add a new auto sliding image carousel in Hostinger website builder, it's simple. Just hover between two sections with your mouse. You will see this add section button. Click on it. This new window pops up. Here, scroll down to slideshow. Click on it. You will see this single slideshow template. Click on it. By default, this images slideshow is not automatically sliding. So to add this feature, click on add section or edit section. Then go to settings, and next to autoplay slideshow, click on or enable this option. And of course, also next to loop slides, enable this option. And here, using this slider, you can adjust the duration between slides. Let's keep it at 3 seconds. And if we return to the style tab, you can edit the controls button. As you see, this one does not show these 3 dots. You can go with the arrows and dots, just arrows or just dots. I think I prefer to show 2 controls. And next to navigation arrows color, you can edit the arrows color. For example, this yellow, as you see here, the arrow color is applied. And next to slide buttons color, I talk about these little dots. You can also edit it to yellow or any color you want. Now let's see how to edit the content or the images of this slideshow. Click on slide or any slide. You will see the content or the images inside this slide. To remove one, just click on this bin icon. And to add new ones, click on this upload files button, and you can upload your new carousel new images from your computer, or you can use free images provided by Pixel. Here, fill in your keyword. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders, and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Here, fill in your keyword. For example, I don't know, for example, barbershop, and let's add this products photo. Click on add to page, close this window, and you will see it sliding here. After adding and editing your new slideshow, don't forget to hit this update website button to publish these editing. Click on view site, and this is our auto sliding carousels. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.